Alright guys, let's see how far we've gotten in 2 solid weekends and a few more weekdays of work. Boom. That cold air feels good. No more sweating in there, guys. Okay. First of all, my pride and joy. This new suspension bench, diamond plate on top, mounted to the wall with 4x4 posts. I mean, it's sturdy, guys. Got the little shelf on the bottom. Rocking some Olin's right now. Probably going to mount the new Motion Pro pivot vise here when it comes off back order. And probably going to mount, oh, here's some shot gear. We'll be going over that in another video. Probably going to mount the other one right here. And by that one, I mean the one that's been on my other suspension bench, which is over here now. I need to fix this vise. I'm going to take this to that suspension bench and just put a regular vise here. And this is just going to be a tear down table, a table for putting stuff in the vices, whether it's cylinders or anything I need to do to work on. Got good lighting over here too. Toolbox is there. I'm going to store some tools up on here, but I'm not going to work much on this bench because I don't want to bang around on the bench that my tools are connected to, because then stuff just falls off. That's the problem I have with this bench. That's why I'm not going to put any tools over there on the wall. I'm going to keep them in that toolbox. So, haven't decided if both lifts are coming in here or if I'm just going to do this bike lift and just keep a stand for a bike there so there's more room. There is some more cleaning to do and just a little bit of organizing. And I don't have cell phone service because it's a metal building. So we're put in one window. We're probably going to put some more. The second level still has a lot to go. I don't know how well you can see that, but we got to put OSB on the walls. And I've got to figure out what I'm going to do for flooring. And I've still got outlets to put in and terminate. But yeah, speaking of outlets, guys, I ran conduit everywhere in here. I've got a circuit down this wall. This goes to the back side of this wall as well. Then I've got the circuit over here that's high, and the reason I put that so high is because this stuff, I don't know what's going to go here, and I want everything to be able to fit flat against the wall. And then if I decide later I want an outlet right here, in about $3 or $4 and 10 minutes I can just punch that knockout, run me an outlet down here. So I'm pretty pumped. Only issue I've had so far is this light, which was given to me for free, has like caught on fire twice. So I'm gonna need to replace this light soon. But yeah, besides that, this little floor unit air conditioner, it's actually been working pretty good. It doesn't feel super cool in here until you go outside, and it's been like 92 the last 3 or 4 days. But I think as long as it's not any hotter than low 90s outside, this is going to do the trick. This fan just kind of helps circulate it. Seems to make a big difference. So I'm probably going to mount a fan here on the stairs for permanent setup. But yeah, so the bottom is basically done, guys. Back here I have some outlets still to terminate and install on this run. But besides that, I'm at least ready to start working. So yeah, I'm planning on having a permanent unboxing table upstairs, but until then my suspension bench will work fine for stuff like that. So alright, just a quick little update. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.